In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get audit trails in DocuSign. An audit trail in DocuSign is essentially the detailed history of what happened to a document, when it was sent, viewed, signed, and by whom, along with technical details like IP addresses and timestamps. This is often called the certificate of completion, and it's really important for compliance, internal record keeping, and resolving any disputes about who signed what and when. Let's walk through how to access this information step by step. First, open your browser and go to your DocuSign dashboard. Then sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, you'll land on the main home or dashboard view. This is where you can see your recent activity and navigate to all your documents. From here, look for the section or tab labeled Agreements. Go ahead and click on Agreements. This area shows you the envelopes and documents you've sent or received through DocuSign. If you have a lot of items, you can use filters or search to quickly find the specific agreement you're interested in. Next, locate the document you want an audit trail for. To the right of that document, you'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots, often called the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots. This will open a small menu with several actions you can take on that particular document. In that menu, choose the option labeled History. Click on History to open the detailed activity view for the selected document. This page shows a timeline of what has happened to that agreement, including when it was created, sent, viewed, and signed. To get the formal audit trail that you can download and store, look for the option that says a Download Certificate. Click on Download Certificate. DocuSign will generate a file, usually a PDF, and your browser will either download it automatically or ask where you want to save it. Once the download is complete, open that file. This certificate includes the detailed audit trail for your document, the full event history, signer details, dates, times, and technical information that proves the integrity of the signing process. You can now save the certificate with your records, share it internally, or provide it as evidence of the document's signing history whenever you need it.